Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Apologies, yesterday I could not do the post market report. So, one announcement before starting, there is a workshop in Delhi and Mumbai next month. I am specially flying from Dubai to Delhi and Dubai to Mumbai only for this workshop. And since I am more concentrating on US markets, so in future I may not do many workshops, especially in Delhi, but Bombay I may do it. So if you are interested, please check the details in the description and subscribe to the workshop. Now coming back to the market, we are down but not out. So why? Today I will tell you few things. Number one, the global cues are really very bad. Yesterday US markets fell so much, but today again they fall, and European markets trading at 7-month low. So we are nowhere near 7-month low, but European markets are trading at 7-month low. The Europe and US picture looking very gloomy. So given that backdrop, today our performance is not bad. That is first. Second, today surprisingly it is the broader market that fell. The index heavyweight large cap stocks which usually underperform the market, today they all outperformed. Look at the stocks. TCS, for the first time in last many days, it was very firm from the beginning. Infosys was good, and Kotak Bank seems that there is some short covering ahead of the results, and HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, TCS, Infosys, even the Reliance. So it is a large cap index heavyweights outperformance, and also the banking stocks outperformance today, especially the private sector banks. The broader market were down, but still the Nifty is not down much because of the outperformance of the large cap index heavyweights. However, in ITC and Hindustan Unilever, they fell after the results. I think nowadays all the index heavyweights fall after the results, and tomorrow ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank will be coming out with results. So we need to see whether those two stocks fall on Monday. So the third thing, today the opening level and closing level is exactly same. Today morning Nifty opened at 19,542, closing also 19,542. Technically they call this as Toji pattern. So what is the significance of Toji pattern? So when the Toji pattern happens, number one, it indicates the indecisiveness, and number two, the following 3 or 4 trading sessions markets can move significantly. So I always say the first 3 weeks are very volatile, the 4th week will be even more volatile. So next week we have only 3 trading sessions. I will not be surprised if the markets make a move of 250 to 300 point on either side, but which side, that we will not know. So we will know only on Monday morning. Looking at the open interest, 19,500 put option open interest is intact, but there was a huge addition of open interest at 19,600, 19,700, 19,800, 19,900. Maybe number one, the people are becoming, they may not be bearish, but at the same time they are also not bullish. So therefore they are selling call option. And second thing, we are left with only 3 trading sessions. So they are hoping to make some money because of that time decay. But last week options, always I tell you, is subject to gamma risk. So I feel that the European and US markets are a little bit extremely oversold. If there is any short covering in US markets tonight, so there may be a gap up on Monday. But given the uncertainty facing, So even that gap up may not be very high. So if 40-50 point gap up, the time value will help these option sellers. So anyway, so right now the picture is looking as if Nifty is likely to expire between 19,200 and 19,800 by the end of this month. So another thing, where this month started, I think today we closed around the same level. So a kind of doji pattern even on monthly candle also. So therefore, markets, the possibility of a bigger swing in the next few days is very, very high. So anyway, we will get some clarity by Sunday because US markets will close. ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank results will be with us. So we will discuss all those things on Sunday. So FII data is still not come, but I am sure FIIs would be selling only. So this whole month, in between here and there they buy, but otherwise they continue to sell. Just now I check, I think the data has come. It's surprisingly they are the net buyers. FIIs have bought for 456 crores. The domestic institution, they just bought for just 8 crore. So probably that is the reason markets did not break down. So let us see what is going to happen on Monday. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.